We had no idea this one existed.
This park is so big, you can find an entire lazy river. So time for a second lazy river.
I love how their support columns are themed as well, so like the trees. You know, they went above and beyond. A lot of them are pretty well themed. What time is it? 3 what?
3.
Okay. Yeah, if there's any crowd at this park, it's easily a 2-day park, if not more. Yeah, we've been able to do almost everything at this park, you know, and we got here early before the park even opened, and the park just has a few hours left until it closes, so this is easily a 2-day park if there's crowds, or if you don't have the express pass. It's just so massive, and especially with this expansion coming up, like, easily a 2-day water park. I didn't think that would be a thing, but it's a thing. They have a 2-day water park here. And like, especially if you do the lazy river multiple times, and then eat lunch, dinner, yeah. Time can go by quite fast here.
Oh my god, this is a rapid river.
Oh, it is.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
I guess maybe only in parts. I knew something was up with these higher walls.
I was a little suspicious.
And the fact that the walls are cracking high up, I mean, that just means, you know.
We're about to find out. But there's rapids. Oh, rapids.
They just might not be turned on right now, you know?
Yeah, that's possible. Maybe we'll like one bus here.
So usually this would be the entrance to like some serious waves that come down, but I mean, with this yellow net over it, I just doubt that they do the, yeah, they're not holding the floodgates back up there, so I don't think they're doing the waves right now. It'd be cool if they were doing the waves though. So yeah, earlier on or in another video, depending on how you're watching this, we were literally talking about how they need an action river. And I guess they had one, we just had no idea it existed. So hopefully it's running soon. With waves, this would feel like you're in a canyon, you know, surfing or, you know, like flooding it. That'd be really cool. Alright, so that's the end of this action river that's kind of just a lazy river right now. So, depending on where you're watching this, be sure to subscribe or follow me for more content from this water park, because, I mean, we filmed almost every single slide here. So, tons of content on this water park and more parks from Abu Dhabi. So yeah, be sure to follow me and subscribe.